Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to do job 4, which is your challenge from section 1.1. So very first thing you need to do, you need to create a new document. So you can go to File, New, or just hit Control N on your keyboard. Then step 2 says you're going to type this paragraph exactly. I've already typed it, so I'm just going to copy and paste it anywhere on my document here. So I'm just going to paste it in here. Perfect. So it says we need to make a bunch of changes in step 3. So the first thing we need to do is center the paragraph. So we can highlight our whole paragraph here, and we can go right up here to the center text function. You can do that. If you're into shortcuts, you can just hit Control E on your keyboard, and it will center it as well. Okay. The next one says we need to change every letter, which is the lowercase e, to capital E. It says that it can be done automatically. So it can be done automatically. What you need to do is you need to go to Edit, and if you go to Find, you can go to Replace. And now what do we want to do? Well, we want to find all of our lowercase e's, and then we want to replace them with uppercase e's. So I got two options here. I can go one by one, replace each one of them, or I can just do it all at once, and that's kind of what I want to do. So I'm going to hit replace all, and it'll change everything to uppercase E. It says, great, we've made 28 replacements, which is exactly what we want to do. Close that up. All right. Now it says highlight the word luck in a color of your choice. So here's the word luck. I'll click that, and I can highlight it. I'll highlight it yellow. Perfect. Next, I want to put a black border around our page. So if I go to Design, hit Page Borders, and now I'm just going to choose maybe like the box. That looks good. I'll drop it down to make it 3, which is what it requests, 3 inches thick, or 3 points thick. Put it around it. Oh, that is looking good. Now, we're going to change the font color of every instance of the word the to make it red. Okay, well that's not too bad. So if I go back to home, all I need to do is just highlight every word the, and just change my font text, and I can just make it red. Perfect. Instead of highlighting, actually, what you can do is you just, as long as your cursor is on the word the, if you just click red, it'll just change that word to red. So do this for every single the that we have. Okay, looks good. I don't see any other thes, so we look like we are in good shape. All right, it says insert a picture of the cutest dog you can find on Google below your paragraph. Put a blue box around it that is 6 in width. Okay, no problem. We can do that. So let's bring up cutest dog. Well, that's got to be a Chow Chow. Oh, look at that. Chow Chow puppy cute. It knows what I'm after. Oh, where's this? Oh, that is a good boy here. Take this fluff ball, put him below my paragraph, and it is looking good. So just to make it look a little better, I'm going to center that thing, and then I'm going to put a box around it. So it says it needs to be 6 thick. So if I go to picture format, and I can change a whole bunch of stuff about this picture, I want to make it blue, and that looks good, but it's not 6 thick. So if I click on it again, this picture format thing is going to pop up. I can change the weight of it to 6. And now this good boy is outlined in blue. Next thing I'm going to do is find my favorite song, my favorite quote from a song, put it at the bottom of the page. And just to keep it easy, I'll use Imagine by John Lennon. But I didn't read this at all, did I? Because what it says is I need to put it in a text box. So I'm going to get rid of that, put a insert function in, and then I will find my text box and I will draw one. Now I can draw this thing anywhere. I'm just going to draw it right down here. Try that again. Imagine, and that is by John Lennon. All right, make it look nice and neat, pretty. I can go up to home and I can hit center, or I'll just hit Control E on my keyboard. Now it says make sure your font is Arial size 24. Okay, I can do that. Arial size 24. That looks good. And the other thing it says is I want to shade my whole text box black and make the font white. So just because I already have my font highlighted, I'll make that white to start, and it'll disappear. Oh no. Now, just to make it reappear, if I make the background of this black, it'll look nice and pretty. So I'll go to Shape Fill because I want to fill it. Black. There she is. All right. Perfect. You want to make sure you save that as job 04, and you are done.